Hi, my name is Nina Leopold. My partner Rick and I founded the Mermaid of Hilton Head together to spread awareness and to educate about ocean conservation. Our business is primarily tourist-based, so when 2020 hit, we had to innovate and adapt the business to make it safe for guests while still not losing any of the interaction and the education aspects that make our business so unique. So we came up with the idea to incorporate animated characters onto our boat tours, which is something that has never been done before. Due to financial restrictions of being in the tourism industry in 2020, we had no way to fund the project, and as a small business owner, that meant we had to learn animation. I took to the drawing board and learned animation all on my own. Most people go to school for years to learn graphic design and animation, so learning it was quite time-consuming, and it did get very frustrating at times. I taught myself everything from script writing to digital character design and development, to programming and rigging, triggers and applying physics, sound effects and voice acting, stop-motion animation, compositing, and even post-production. Everything you see in the animations on our tours was me struggling behind a computer screen. Our guests are super excited about the animation being incorporated with our tours this year, and our team is probably equally as excited to be able to bring them this submersive experience for our 2021 season.